Hello, this is Barely Painted, and today I show you what interesting you can do with tiny battery. I used this battery for my previous project, you can find link on which in description below. For example, this is a regular pencil and this is a regular battery, commonly used in RC helicopters. Just for comparison, this is 700 mAh battery. If this don't give whole picture how tiny it is. This is capless USB flash drive, and this is a regular USB flash drive. I probably can call it regular, not quite sure. I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, let's go begin. First of all, you'll need proper case and cable gland. Another necessary component, except battery, is charging/voltage boosted board. And last one is USB-A male connector. You can buy separate, which more preferred, or reused available. We also need some tools to build our power bank. Now I show you where I get case. I use one of these tiny voltage step-up conversion cables. They're widely available, in comparison to just a case alone. Simply disassemble case using a disposable prying tool, and that is all. This is very easy, and you can also reuse this step-up board, which also configurable. Barrel plug with cable also nice bonus. I also tried to use bigger battery, but as you can see it don't leave any space for other necessary components. And I come back with my original idea. But now I have another problem. Charging board is too tall and wide for USB case. Also it has a lot of wasted space and unnecessary part that can be removed from the board. So I decided simply desolder USB-A and USB micro B ports. This is actually quite difficult, as I found later. After about 15 minutes of desoldering, I have bare board. And now most time-consuming process. Cut the board until it will fit inside the USB case. I use big file for most of the process and bunch of small files to finish the job. You can also see these necessary grooves, which allows place board inside the USB case much easier. As you can see, board fits pretty nice. Because I mostly use micro USB port, decision which cable to choose for this project quite obvious. Besides of that, it is possible to use any USB cable with a bunch of different connectors. We need strip off about 50 mm of cable jacket to precisely fit all components. I decide to strip about 65 mm, which gives me a little bit of freedom while soldering. On this stage, very important to not forget put cable gland on the cable. Heat shrink tubes, just to prevent shortening. Now I can solder data wires and ground wire. Here I must to say that this not work as it should, but about this a little bit later. This is structural wire, which makes cable much more durable. I also put a little bit of electrical tape to prevent shortening. Because I leave more wire than needed, now it's quite difficult to fit all of this inside the USB case. Still, it is fit quite well. Hot glue to permanently fix USB connector inside the case. Now only left to close the case and Powerbank is done. For comparison, this is a regular USB cable. I bring this power bank just to show you that thermodynamics laws is matters. You'll see this soon. Let's go and test what I actually made. As you can see, output voltage is about 3.5 volts. When battery is fully charged, supposed to be about 4.2 volts. A reason for that is diode, which cut off about 1 volt and makes this project not usable for any applications. After discovering this, I make decision simply replace diode with 2-position switch. Here I show you how it works. In the first position it will be deliver power from the USB port, in second from the battery. Quite simply. Let's go and test this. Looks much more promising than before. Now let's try and charge some phone. And yes, it turned off, because thermodynamics laws. You can't use this to charge your phone. But it is still possible to provide power for Arduino, charge wireless headphones and smartwatches. I should mention that you can still use this as a regular USB cable for charging and data transfer. Or you can simply trick your friends with this. That is all for today. You can find more information in description below. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you later!